5'6", who it is with the Tim's on. I need 45,000 to sing songs. Now they mad cause they bitch gon' sing along. You ain't gotta worry, homie, I just wanna be alone. 5'6", who it is with the Tim's on. I need 45,000 to sing songs. Now they mad cause they bitch gon' sing along. You ain't gotta worry.
Yeah. What's good? Welcome back to the channel. Today I finally got something kind of cool that I'm gonna be doing to old girl. You see the box right there? So yeah, let's get to it. So as you guys know, or if you don't know, the Mark 6 GLIs come with this little baby lip spoiler right here, baby duckbill, whatever you want to call it. And today I'm gonna be taking that off and putting a bigger carbon fiber one on. Let's go ahead and get this thing out. Woo. So yeah, you see it, all carbon fiber, and this is real carbon. This ain't no hydro dip. This is real. And it came with a roll of double-sided tape, which I already went and put on like the other day. So sheesh, that's a general idea of how it's gonna look. It's not gonna sit this high because of course it is sitting on top of the OEM one, and it has a little I don't know if you guys can see that right there. There you go, a little cutout right there for the emblem. Yeah, I picked up this stuff right here that I put on with the double-sided tape as well, just like an extra adhesive and bond, so it don't come off at all. And how I'm gonna be getting this off? Gonna be using the heat gun, as well as I'm gonna take some fishing line and heat it up around the top and the bottom to get the double-sided tape loose. Take the fishing line and just pretty much go back and forth sawing up under here. So I'm trying to, my goal is to not break this, so that way I can be able to resell it, because there is some people who get like the base model Jettas and the Jetta Sports that don't come with a lip, and who actually be looking for the GLI OEM lip. So I also got a rubber eraser wheel that I'm gonna attach to my drill once I get this off, so I can fully clean the old 3M tape that they use from the factory off of here. That way I have a completely clean surface to mount the new one on.
You remember? Ooh, hey. Straight like that. You remember me? Is it deja vu? Got it when I spoke it to existence in the stool. AMG art, picked it like whatever move. Whatever I please, and said please in the moon. Love a bitch entitled, she deserved this Dior. I'm bug-eyed Ben's hoe, she thought Gazi was Lior. They quarantine stream, so I'm guessing I'm his tour. At first it's out of love, but that money made him.
Boom, there we go, all one piece. Yes, sir. As you see, I got the OEM spoiler off. This is how dirty it is up under. So I'm about to take my eraser wheel and go to work, get this bad girl cleaned up and prepped, ready for the new one. Here is the OEM one right here. And as you see, it is just double-sided tape Mine is a 2014. So mine was just held on with double-sided tape. I know the Mark 6.5s, the 2015 and up, those have double-sided tape as well as panel bond that holds their OEM lip spoilers, duck bills. So you may have to do a little bit more work than I did, but it's pretty much the same concept, the heat gun and the fit.
That money made them hard. I got Mona Lisa on the hey, Mona Lisa on the way, and a diva on page. She called me a drama queen, like Beyonce on the stage. I'm too high, pick up the phone. She like Travis, wanna raise. Got finesse all in my bones, but that codeine made them lazy. Is it true? Was lucky thinking about me in the stool. Think my
Alright, guys, so that actually took longer than I expected, mainly because I had to stop halfway and charge my drill up. So in the meantime, while I was charging up, I used some Goo Gone and some elbow grease and just got to it. But all of this right here is paint that's missing. It actually did have like a small layer of some type of adhesive. It's not the panel bond because it was like kind of soft. But yeah, the paint came up with it, which is fine. It's gonna be covered up by the new one. So yeah, I'm getting ready to get an actual look. So it's pretty much gonna sit like this. I can't let it go because it's gonna fall down. But you guys tell me what it looks like. What you guys think? I think it's gonna look fire. Oh man. But yeah, all of the scratches are covered up. I can't come in and show you guys, but I will show you once it is actually on. But cut out right here is perfect. Edges line up perfectly. Yep, edges line up perfectly. So I got this off of eBay. I will leave the link to everything that I use besides the heat gun. But yeah, I will leave the link in the description below so you guys can cop one too. Yeah, this is gonna be fire. So let me go ahead and get this tape prepped with my layer of extra adhesive. I've got the trunk cleaned up with some IPA, isopropyl alcohol and water. I'm getting ready to I'm debating on spraying some adhesion promoter as well. Just like a small little layer. And then of course I am going to use the heat gun again to heat it up.
Up on the block in a minute. I've been missing out the walk with the minute. I've been building up the blocks like a million. Elliot got water dripping out the ceiling. Oh my God, boy he got a Glock. Oh my God, boy that boy on top. Sip and walk, make my heart stop. All these hoes, yeah my love my thigh. Yo, all let go, put her on roll, put that.
Alright you guys, so here it is. Unfortunately, halfway through the time lapse, my tripod decided to die on me. So I couldn't get any more clips of me actually installing it. But as you see, it's on. Pretty sturdy on there. And it looks so good. So good. I will be, I'll pull it out of the garage tomorrow because it needs to get washed and cleaned up and everything. Right now, yeah, the driveway is full because we got some company over. Alright, you guys, so it is the next day. Just finished up cleaning the car up. So here it is outside. That looks so good. Kinda hard to see in this angle, but fire. Fire.
Yo. Okay. These niggas fry like rice. Mortal Kombat, how I fuck up the mic. Niggas dizzy if they thought we was tight. Niggas Dracula, cause they love to bite. And I do this shit with ease. Fuck is you talking about, nigga please. Like a magician, got tricks up the sleeve. Running the game so long, fucked up the knee. Pity you fools, I think I'm Mr. T. I am the resurrected Socrates. That's why these niggas always cop a please. Manifest, I do the best, I risk it, then repeat. Like a cup of liquor with no chase, I do it neat. Niggas calling Bova's computer, I delete. Wide body pins when I pull up in the V. Okay, like bread, I'm on a roll. Smart, I'm on a roll. Fuck is you talking about? Okay, let's get it. Niggas, they tippy toe, we stepping stone for toe. We could go toe to toe, okay, let's get it. They be on cruise control, I'm about to lose control. Count out the money, then okay, let's get it. I been committed, I can admit it. Fuck up the digits, girl, fuck up the digits. These niggas about to make me use my tool. I ain't even really wanna lose my cool. Thought they was ops, really, they my fool. Water on my neck like a damn monsoon. Hit a cocoon out.
Alright, you guys, so tell me what you think. I think it looks fire. Drop it down below in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. And I'll catch you in the next one. Be easy.
Let's get it. I been committed, I can admit it. Fuck up the digits, girl, fuck up the digits. These niggas about to make me use my tool. I ain't even really wanna lose my cool. Thought they was ops, really, they my fool. Water on my neck like a damn monsoon.